What up, bro?
Yo.
What you trying to do?
Shit. Let me look at it. I don't trust this motherfucker, boy.
Guys, I'm not gonna lie, I am so over this snow shit, bro. It is not even funny. So I don't know how this video is gonna go. I do know I want to try to get a little more done on the F2B turbo, but right now I'm about to go sell these TSX wheels that I've been had for a little while. I was gonna put them on a van, but I think I might try to go a different route with it. Either way, I do gotta figure something out really soon because those tires are shot on the van. So I definitely need to get some, but I'm trying to make a little more space in the shop right now. So we're gonna go ahead, get these things loaded up and get them going. And then as for the rest of the day, man, I'm gonna try to get some stuff done on that F2B turbo. I do got a new product that I wanna show you guys. A company sent me, and we're gonna test it out, see how it does. Hopefully it's as good as it looks, because it looks freaking awesome. So hopefully it works as good as it looks. But yeah, we're gonna be testing it out here soon, and we're just gonna have a chill video, guys. Hopefully this is the last snow thing that we get this year, man, because it's about to be March. I think next week starts March, and I really just need this stuff to stop hindering things so we can go ahead and get what we need done. But nonetheless, let me get these wheels out, and I will catch up with y'all probably later on when we get back. All right, YouTube, so today's video is gonna be a pretty laid back one. We got this new product in that I'm dying to try out and show you guys. First and foremost, I really wanna give a huge shout out to Robustrue, which is a sort of new brand of tool that's on Amazon. You can buy this stuff on Amazon, guys. And what we're testing out today is a impact gun, which is a 1/2 inch, and it's rated for 406 foot-pounds of torque. That's high torque. Now this thing, guys, is brushless. It is definitely a nice unit to hold. I love the color. It's like it's mocking Ryobi a little bit, but this color is really dope. Feels really good in my hand. Pause. The only thing I don't like is the fact that this is a 1/2 inch. I only have a limited set of 1/2 inch sockets, mainly being my impacts, which I normally use to just take wheels off and stuff with. So that's the only thing. Like, I'm pretty sure they have one of these in a 3/8 inch. If they do, I definitely want one of them. But again, today is about this 1/2 inch. This is really compact. It's actually a little bit smaller than my 3/8 drive one that I have from Harbor Freight. So as you can see, this is like my Harbor Freight 3/8 drive one, and they are noticeably shorter. The 1/2 inch one is a lot shorter, man. That's pretty freaking crazy. If this little baby right here will take lug nuts on and off with ease, then we got us one here. The good thing about this kit, guys, not only does it come with the impact, it comes with a charger. Not only does it come with a charger, it comes with 2 4 amp hour batteries, bro. 2 4-amp hour batteries. So these are 21 volt lithium ion batteries. I don't know what that 1 volt difference is gonna make, but these are really nice, man. They have the battery level indicator on the bottoms, just like a more expensive brand would have. These were fully charged out of the box. I did open this up off camera just to make sure they were charged. They were fully charged out of the box, so that was good. And we got just your basic charger that, you know, just looks like a charger. You're getting 2 batteries, a charger, and you get freaking impact sockets, bro, all in the kit. And this looks to be like a handle here as well, in case you want to like carry it around Rambo style or something. But yeah, we're definitely gonna test this thing out right now and see what she does. All right, let's give this thing a go, man. So I'm on the front wheel here of the Civic. Let's see what she's got. She popped them off though. Wow. Okay. I see you, it's working. It's working, boys. That's pretty dang neat, man. So right now we're on the low setting when tightening. So that means we don't have to over stripping these lug nuts, because she doesn't. And again, you can go to your auto mode, which we'll try that out now. All right, boys, so now we're in auto mode. Excuse this wheel, I only have 3 lug nuts on it. But auto, again, you just hold the trigger. So we're gonna see if that's enough to break a lug nut loose. Bro, that's freaking crazy. See, I'm still on the trigger. That's freaking crazy, bro. Yo, how does it know that that's like the right amount of, bro? This thing is neat, bro. This is really freaking neat. I cannot complain one bit yet, man. We're gonna really put this thing through its paces and see what happens, because this thing seems to be a unit, guys. Let's check to see what the battery level is. So it looks like we about used 1 battery already. So honestly, it's looking like the battery just ain't all the way there. I'm not sure about the exact time that it'll take for that thing to charge up, but I know using like the Cobalt unit and even Harbor Freight, bro, like that, the battery on those lasts a long time. And I mean, again, it could just be because I did not charge these at all. They say full battery out of the box, so that's what I went off of. Maybe that's what it is. Maybe I should have charged them. I don't know, but I mean, she is working, bro. She is freaking working. So guys, all in all, man, again, I would think this thing is really a unit, but what I think I'm gonna try to do, man, to help me test this farther, I'm gonna try to buy me a complete set of 1/2-inch drive sockets, because I don't have, like I said, I don't have anything but these bulky ass like impact sockets, and those things, it's just, they're too heavy, man, to be trying to like use as far as like just pulling like a 10 mil bolt or something off. So I need to buy me like just your good old fashioned Harbor Freight socket set with like, I guess 10 all the way up to like 17 or 19, just with the 1/2-inch drive, because this is, again, a 1/2-inch drive. Now I gotta look and see, guys, again, if they make this in 3/8 drive with the same torque, this might be a unit, man. This might be something that you can use to go to the junkyard, or use like to keep in your everyday tool bag that you might like have like a little side of the road kit. And you know, say you have a flat tire, you want a little cheap impact that you can bust the lug nuts off, swap your tire, and be back on the road in no time without using like the 4-way or something that takes more time. This might be that unit, man, especially for a little travel pack, because again, it comes with the little case, carrying case, everything, man, sockets, all you need, bro. I feel like this is definitely a perfect spare tire setup, like especially if you, again, it's nighttime, you're on the side of the road, you don't want to be trying to turn wrenches and stuff. You want to get off the road as quickly as possible. So one of these units, accompanied with maybe like a little aluminum jack or something that you can lift the car fast, buzz off the lug nuts, pop your spare on, set it back on the ground, and be back driving all within like 5 minutes. This is definitely a good unit for that. Again, I will link this in the description below. I think right now what I'm gonna do is get this, I guess, shift linkage mounted up into the car. I gotta look and see if I have the bolts. I think he gave me the bolts for that as well. So I'm gonna try to get the shift linkage. Yeah, we got the little bracket stuff. I'm gonna try to go ahead and get the shift linkage bolted up in the car. The snow stuff is slowing me down a little bit. I need to get this transmission taken up to, I guess I'm just gonna let James look at it and figure it out. So I need to get that took up to him, hopefully within the next week, and then he can give me feedback on what the issue is with that, and we can move forward with trying to get that fixed. So look forward to that. I'm gonna try to give him a GoPro again so that he can walk us through exactly what's going on, just so we can know. And then hopefully, man, from what I'm hearing, the GSR and the LS and the B16, something about there are different size diffs, which makes sense, I get it. But I'm hoping I can still use the LSD that I got from Maxpeedingrods. If I can't use it with this transmission, guys, I honestly don't even know if I want to fix it. Like I might just scrap this idea, keep the trans. Maybe I'll get it fixed. I'm gonna see what it costs. But I might not use this transmission. I feel like I'm gonna end up, it could be a LS. That is a deal for a LS. So there is an option on the table, but the guy that originally owned this transmission before Dustin bought it, he actually messaged me on Facebook, and he told me that this is guaranteed possibly either a GSR or a B16. He don't know. He knows it's open diff, which I know is open diff, but it came out of a B16 chassis. But I don't know, nobody knows, bro. This is unknown. It doesn't have a tag. We won't know until we get the trans open. So it's kind of one of them things, bro. I'm kind of antsy about that. I really hope it is an LS, because that's the differential that I have. And if it's not, then I'm gonna have to try to find an LS, which I have seen 1 or 2 people post them for like $500, which would suck, because I was really hoping to use this at the price I got everything for. But if not, again, we can always fix this. If it is a real GSR, that means I should be able to get more money for it. So if I fix it, I should definitely be able to sell this in good condition for about $700. And that'll more than cover a LS transmission. And again, if we do it with James video on it, we can have all of that video. So if somebody gets ready to purchase, they can see exactly what we've done, and they'll know like there's no lies here. Everything was repaired. The trans will be good, and we'll leave it at that. But what I'm gonna do now is go ahead, try to get this shift linkage into place and see if we can get that bolted up into the car. And just like that, boys, we got ourselves a API damper / upgraded ass single row damper. I mean, this is freaking crazy, bro. So I saw in the forum, I wanted to make sure before I did this, but I figured I could, and I saw in the forum that somebody cut their external row off and made their pulley a single row. So I just followed through that, bro. It was on one of the Honda forums. I can't remember which one, but nonetheless, that's what I went ahead and did. And now we have plenty of clearance so that when we mount this in the car, the pulley should clear perfectly fine. Progress, bro. So I'm glad we got that knocked out. Now I just gotta wait. I think this week coming up, I should be able to go ahead and order all of the engine components that I need to essentially, I don't know, build, I don't know, maintain the motor. I don't know what the fuck I'm calling it, but I should be able to get all of the things I need to get the engine ready to go in the car. All while that's going on, I should be able to get the transmission over, get that looked at, and then once that clears, hopefully we can use that LSD and I don't have to search for an LS transmission. I might do it now. I might just stick this trans in the car and just find another trans while the car is running, put that LSD in there, and then we'll just swap transmissions later on. I don't know, guys, because right now I'm getting to where I'm ready to stick this whole unit together and see what she does. What are y'all thinking, man? Like, this is getting really exciting. I hope that the motor is some good. I hope that this thing can withstand at least 260, bro. Like, I at least want 250 plus foot-pounds of torque out of this thing. Hopefully she'll take it without sending a ride. This isn't a JDM motor. If it was a JDM motor off the gate, I would have automatically shot for 300, but I know that this thing probably has 250 plus thousand miles on it, and she is tired. If it's anything like that transmission that we use in the van, this motor is not healthy worth for shit. So again, this is just a budget setup, guys, that I honestly don't even know if I'm gonna keep. I still think we're gonna get this thing going, probably make a couple videos in Mexico on it. And then from there, I'll probably end up selling this as I move on to the K-Swap EK. So this is just a fun project that I've always wanted to try to see how it does. If I really, really like it, and if you guys really, really like it, make sure that you let me know in the comments, because I hate that I sold H2B. Now so many people are talking about H2B, but when I had it, it was like people got kind of tired of it. So let me know, man, before I decide to sell this thing. If y'all actually like it, we'll keep it. Down the road, maybe we'll build a F23 for it and really try to make like 400 foot-pounds of torque or something stupid in this light-ass Civic. And we'll have some fun, man. Just like I said, just let me know how y'all are feeling. If you like the project enough just to watch, that's cool. But if you like it enough for me to keep, make sure you let me know in the comments, bro. That's what the comment section are for. Voice your opinions. Let me know how you're feeling. And if need be, I will keep this as well as build the K-Swap car too. So just let me know, man, how you're feeling, and we'll go from there. But this is definitely going to be a fun track/street car. This is definitely going to be one of those ones where we trailer it to the track. And I mean, I give this crap the absolute beans. Like, we're gonna give it all she's got and see just how fast we can make this thing. Remember, the H2B was doing low 8-second passes in the eighth. So it's like 830s on regular tires, 195 regular eBay set of tires. So the goal is to get this thing deep into the sevens, like 750s. I think that would be pretty dope. I also would like to run this thing in a quarter. See if we could do maybe 12 seconds in the quarter, maybe 11. I don't think it'll get that fast, but at least a 12-second run in a quarter would be really, really dope with this thing. So we got a lot of plans for this car, guys. So make sure y'all stick around. I guess with that being said, man, I'm gonna wrap this video up here. Guys, make sure that y'all check out the link in the description below if you're interested in that impact gun. It is on Amazon. I appreciate all y'all support. I will catch y'all next time, guys. Remember, respect all bills. Peace out.